Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. I got this from Chaz's lock picking. Sorry for the shine. I got to have a little light on because it's overcast outside. And that's a 1205 American. And he sent a little note hanging on it. It says, not a challenge lock, but a little more fun than your average American padlock. And he's right. Got a 5-pin key. But I think there's a 6-pin sitting right here, and it's probably a number 4 cut. Usually they are, if it's sitting on the tip. So I have picked this before, guys. So let's see about getting into it. I use this Daz Evers everyday pick, see about tickling some of these pins in here. The main thing you're looking for is where is it? That's 6. That false set. There we go. It just dropped into it. Okay, now see if I can finish it up with the Daz pick. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. It's a number 1 pin. Right there. And we got it. She's open. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. This over here. I'll add a little more light if I need it. We'll see if there's that 6th pin in there. The 6th pin. Ooh, it all fell apart. Go figure. Okay. Well, I can't see now. I'm going to have to add some light here, guys. Where is my... I'm going to go ahead and log it up since we have the dill. Where are you? Just give me this. This should work. Give me the short end. Okay. Yeah. Okay, go over there then. I don't care. That. Give me that. Go the other way. Like that. Get out of here, dog hair. Do. Okay, let's run her through. Ooh, what happened there? You guys seeing what I'm seeing? Interesting. Very, very interesting. Got a missing pin. Is it up in the Bible? And there are 6, like I said. That's probably a number 4 cut. Let's come on, number 1. Okay, 3 was missing, right? Yeah. Number 2. Hey, that actually went into the slot. Woo! Let's go for 6. There it is. What is it? 6. Five. And number 4. Okay. Number 4. All right. So, nothing. And gonna pull our shim, and I'm gonna dump these one at a time and see what we come up with. Okay. Was there anything in 3? Nope, I don't feel anything in 3. 4, 5, 6. Aha! That was wild right there, guys. I felt no spring. I mean, I felt nothing in number 3. Okay, regular springs, just like you'd expect. But somebody's had this apart and put it back together without number 3 being there. That's really weird. So that's interesting. Not another spring, is there? Nope, no other springs. So wait a minute. We had something fall out. This is that would have been number 3, right? Let me see the key. Let's see the key. That would have been number 3. 1, 2, 3. It was that pin. It was over there. How it got over there, I have no idea, because it might have been shoved up into here. Maybe we got something in there. Let's look. This is so cool when you find a problem and you get to figure it out, you know. So front. Got 1, 2. Oh, there's something in 3. There is something in 3. Let's see. We count it again. 2. Yeah, there's something stuck up in 3, guys. So it is in there. It's all wedged up in the top. Wow. I'm gonna have to fix that, but there is a pin and a spring, I think, stuck up in number 3 there. So yeah, we'll have to work on that. Well, anyway, that's what we got. We got that's kind of interesting. Looks like serrated on the bottom of that spool, but not on the top. And this one looks like the same. Well, it's got like a little serration way high. Kind of interesting, isn't it? And then some serrated pins. One little serration here, one there, one there. This is a really interesting little lock. I just got to try to fix this one and get this top out. So yeah, that's what we got, guys. So thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun. Also, I just want to say, if I get this loaded today, tomorrow's the day, guys, where we see if channels just start disappearing. And I'm not so worried about ours. I'm worried about, I'm not really worried about it, but how many channels that we watch go bye-bye. Who knows? We'll see. It's supposed to be tomorrow, so. And this is the 9th, and it's supposed to be the 10th when that happens. So, okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.